Hello, Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. I am a teacher too. In this video, we look at a chapter called Blood Relationship. This chapter comes under mental ability test area, and questions are asked from this chapter in many competitive exams such as NTSC exams, bank exam, TNPSC exam, GRE, etc. Let us look at what we mean by this mental ability, mean by blood relationship, and then what are the types of problems that we face. See, blood relationship is, you need to understand this blood relationship tree if you want to solve the problems in this section. So this is a tree and you are at level 3, that is self, that is generation 3. In generation 3, along with you, who are all there? Your brother, your sister, your wife, your husband, your cousin, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, and then sibling means sibling, that is persons who are born with you, and then your spouse. Spouse means either wife or husband. If you are a male, then it refers to your wife. If you are a female, it refers to your husband. So these are the terminologies which will come under in one generation. One generation above you, that is before you, is your father, mother, father-in-law, mother-in-law, uncle and aunt. This comes under level 2. And who comes under level 1 is grandfather, grandmother, granduncle and grand aunt. These are the people who come under in level 1, that is 2 generations above you. 1 generation below you, that is in level 4, are son, your daughter, your son-in-law, daughter-in-law, your nephew, your niece. Nephew refers to your brother or sister's son, niece refers to your brother or sister's daughter. And 2 generations younger to you is that grandson, granddaughter, grandson-in-law, granddaughter-in-law, grandnephew and grandniece. If you understand this tree diagram, and if there for any questions, if you draw this diagram, you can answer the question very easily. Now let us look at 2 questions and see how best we can answer those questions. See, here we have given 2 questions. The question 1 says, C's mother says to C, my mother has a son whose daughter is A. C's mother says to C, C's mother says to C, my mother has a son whose son is A. What is A to C? So I have drawn a diagram. C is at one level. One level above is C's mother, and then C's mother says to C, my mother, that is C's grandmother is another one level above, and she has a son, so that person is C's uncle, and uncle has a son, that is A. So A is cousin of C. So the answer is cousin. A is cousin of C. That is the answer. If you draw this tree, then you will easily understand without any mistake. Now let us look at another question. What will my father's wife's grandfather's only child's son's daughter to me? So myself, my father is 1 generation above, and then father's wife is nothing but my mother, and mother's grandfather is, for me, is great grandfather. So he is only child. So that is again my grandfather or grandmother, only child, and only that child's son is your mother's brother, that is my uncle, and uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter is cousin to me. So the answer is cousin. So likewise, you draw a tree diagram and then find the right answer. So if you follow this method of drawing a tree diagram, you can answer any questions on blood relationship correctly. I hope you understood this tree diagram and how we can use the tree diagram to solve the questions in blood relationship. Thank you. I will meet you with another video on another subject soon.